Arr! You get out of my tent. Okay, come in. Come in. Arr!
Uh-oh, he's gonna get sucked in.
No! Okay. Okay, out of the tent.
Oh, his leg's caught.
I know, I see.
There you go. Dylan, what's in there?
Arr!
What's in there? Oh, hello. Go get it.
Arr! What are you doing?
He's trying to get inside his tent. You got one leg sticking out. What are you doing, goofball? Oh, peekaboo.
Arr! You get out of here. You get out of here. This is my tent.